Namaskar, a hearty welcome to all of you to the special program Kala Viswa under the Horizon series of ICCR. Indian Council for Cultural Relations was set up by Dr. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, the first Education Minister of India, with the objective to foster cultural relation and mutual understanding between India and other countries of the world. The special series of Kala Viswa, starting from June 2021, aims at reaching out the non-empaneled artists and artisans struggling to have a niche in the domain of art and culture. Mostly the youth mass with immense potentials coming from a very humble background are given platform to perform under this campaign Kala Viswa. We are extremely delighted to note that you have been witnessing our programs with a lot of appreciations, and this evening on the 12th episode of Kala Viswa, we present Chitrare Gita, Music in Art by Srimati Rosalina Das from Jajpur, Odisha. Rosalina Das is a talented artist both in fine art and Hindustani music. With profound interest in art and music, Rosalina has masters in fine arts from Utkal University of Culture, Bhubaneswar. Besides, she has master's degree in Hindustani vocal from Akhila Bharatiya Gandharva Mahavidyalaya, Mandala, Mumbai, under the able guidance of legend Guru Pandit Gopal Chandra Pandya. Rosalina's performing arts have found a place in different art exhibitions organized by Odisha Lalit Kala Academy, International Art Exhibition, Youth Red Cross, State Youth Welfare Board, and many more. In music, she has represented Odisha in Udaipur, Rajasthan, and Shillong, Meghalaya. Rosalina blends art with music and thereby lures the imaginative impulse of the enchanting viewers. This evening under Kala Viswa, Rosalina displays her paintings, adding her musical renditions to that. This Jugalabandi of Chitra and Gita, that is paintings and songs, are based on religious theme which can create both rasha and bhava. Her concept, craft work and songs, finding an expression, shall take you to a different domain. Let's be tuned for that and welcome Rosalina Das in Chitrare Gita.
Namaskar, good evening. I have no words to express my heartfelt thanks to ICCR, the highest body of cultural relations, who have given me this platform to showcase my art and my music, to share my feelings through my paintings and singing with my esteemed viewers. Again, with gratitude to ICCR Bhubaneswar, I begin this evening's Chitrare Gita, Music in Picture. Madhurashtaka, written by Ballavacharya. This lyrics speaks about the abundance of happiness and sweetness all around, which one feels when one surrenders completely at the lotus feet.
अधरं मधुरं वदनं मधुरं नयनं मधुरं हसितं मधुरं हृदयं मधुरं गमनं मधुरं मधुराधिपते रखिलं मधुरं वचनं मधुरं चरितं वसनं मधुरं वलितं मधुरं चरितं मधुरं भ्रमितं मधुरं मधुराधिपते रखिलं मधुरम् मधुरं सूक्तं मधुरं रूपं मधुरं तिलकं मधुरं मधुराधिपते रखिलं मधुरम् वमितं मधुरं शमितं मधुरं मधुराधिपते रखिलं मधुरं गुञ्जा मधुरा माला मधुरा यमुना मधुरा बीची मधुरा सलिलं सूक्तं मधुरं दृष्टं मधुरं श्रेष्ठं मधुरं मधुराधिपते रखिलं मधुरं गोपा मधुरा गावो मधुरा यष्टिर्मधुरा श्रेष्ठिर्मधुरा दलितं मधुराधिपते रखिलं मधुरं मधुराधिपते रखिलं मधुरम्.
Now let me introduce myself to you through this song written by Srijukta Sachi Mahanti and composed by Mr. Suresh Kumar Setti. With the blessings of the Almighty, I paint and sing. But I must say, always one art form inspires the other. One expressed through ragas, the melody, and the other expressed through colors or the ranga.
ଗୀତରେ ଚିତ୍ର ଚିତ୍ରରେ ଗୀତ ଗୀତରେ ଚିତ୍ର ଚିତ୍ରରେ ଗୀତ ଜଣେ ସଙ୍ଗିନୀ ଜଣେ ସଙ୍ଗତ ଦୁହେଁ ଦୁହିଁଙ୍କର ପରିପୂରକ ଜଣେ ଗୀତରେ ଗୀତରେ ମୋର ଇଚ୍ଛା ବତି ନଈ କେତେ ମନ ମୋର ଭୂଇଁ ଯାଇଛି ସେ ଛୁଇଁ ଗୀତରେ ଗୀତରେ ମୋର ଇଚ୍ଛା ବତି ନଈ କେତେ ମନ ମୋର ଭୂଇଁ ଯାଇଛି ସେ ଛୁଇଁ ନରମ ସପନ କଳା ଜଗତର ଦୁଇ ଗୋଟି ବିଭବ କେତେ ସୁଖ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ସେଇ ମୋ ବିଭବ ଜଣେ ଚନ୍ଦନ ଜଣେ ସ୍ପନ୍ଦନ ଜଣେ ପଲକ ଜଣେ ପୁଲକ ଚିରବଞ୍ଚିତ ଚିରବଞ୍ଚିତ ଚିତ୍ରରେ ଗୀତ ଗୀତରେ ଚିତ୍ର ଚିତ୍ରରେ ଗୀତ ଗୀତରେ ଚିତ୍ର ଜଣେ ସଙ୍ଗିନୀ ଜଣେ ସଙ୍ଗତ ଦୁହେଁ ଦୁହିଁଙ୍କର ପରିପୂରକ
Now I would love to show you some of my paintings which express the feelings of an artist. My painting style is very much focused on spiritualism, dreamscape of poetic frames related to Sri Jagannatha or culture. One can notice the emotion of a Devadasi on my canvas. The divine presence in the devotee's heart and the spiritual connection between both are the striking elements in my art practice. I transform my palette into a classicism approach of poetic vigor and context flavored with forms from medieval Oriya poetries. my BFA from Biki College of Art and Craft and also my Master in Fine Art from University of Culture. I have learned Hindustani vocal from Guru Sri Jukta Gopal Chandra Panda. I started my singing career in 1990 during my days at Puri, the holy city of Orissa. I do painting in acrylic medium on canvas, silk cloth, pebbles and try to produce best out of waste. My style of art is very much Indian and more focused on spiritualism.
मोते देवदासी तारे कर दे पादे मो घुंघुर बांधी दे नाचिबी तो आगे नाट मंडप रे गाउथिबी तोर गीत गोविंद रे नाचुथिबी तोर नाट मंडप रे गाउथिबी तोर गीत गोविंद रे कीर्तक छम कीर्तक छम कीर्तक छम कीर्तक छम ता छम कीर्तक छम मोते अनुमति थारे खाली दे पादे मो घुंघुर बांधी दे तो ना धारी नीति मुनाइबी मथारे सिंदूर आखिरी काजल गहरे पिंधिबी गंठर हार गुंथिबी तो पाई मल्लीर माल मेघ मल्हार रे बरसी जीवी मु शृंगार रस रे माझी देवी मु मेघ मल्हार रे बरसी जीवी मु शृंगार रस रे साजी देवी मु कीर्तक छम कीर्तक छम कीर्तक छम कीर्तक छम ता छम कीर्तक छम मोते अनुमति थारे खाली दे देवदासी मोते करी दे गजमती पान भांगिबी तो पाई पोछिबी अधर पणत कानी रे मो आगे बसिबू मोते चाहिथिबू एमिति का भाग्य हब कि सतरे ऋणु झुळु सबदरे मृदंगर ताळे ताळे गाउथिबी नाचुथिबी पलक पड़ी बाजाए ऋणु झुळु सबदरे मृदंगर
In our tradition, Devadasis are the most blessed servitors of Lord Jagannath. They sing and dance for him. Here is an appeal of the devotees to make her a Devadasi.
दरिया कुळारे कारिचे घरा झड बतासाको नाही मोडर दरिया कुळारे कारिचे घरा झड बतासाको नाही मोडर राखिले दरिया कुळारे कारिचे घरा झड बतासाको नाही मोडर କରିଛି ତାକୁ ମୁଁ ପୂଜିଛି ସଞ୍ଜ ସକାଳ ରୀତି ତା ନା ଧରି ଚାଲୁଛି ବାଟ ମୁଁ ସେଇ ମୋ ଆରମ୍ଭ ଇତି ହୋ ଭରସା କରିଛି ତାକୁ ମୁଁ ପୂଜିଛି ସଞ୍ଜ ସକାଳ ରୀତି ତା ନା ଧରି ଚାଲୁଛି ବାଟ ମୁଁ ସେଇ ମୋ ଆରମ୍ଭ ଇତି ମୋ ଆଖିରେ ଅନେକ ଆଶା ସେ ମୋର ଏକା ଭରସା ମୋ ଆଖିରେ ଅନେକ ଆଶା ସେ ମୋର ଏକା ଭରସା ସୁଖରେ ସେ ଅଛି ଦୁଃଖରେ ସେ ଅଛି ସୁଖରେ ସେ ଅଛି ଦୁଃଖରେ ସେ ଅଛି ସାଥୀ ମୋର କଳା ଠାକୁର ଦରିଆ କୁଳରେ କରିଛି ଘର ଝଡ଼ बतासाको नाही मोडर दाऊ सधिलाणी श्रावणर धारा दरिया दिसे अशांत कूळ छुईलाणी दरियार पाणी भासी जीवी हे शांत हो दाऊ सधिलाणी श्रावणर धारा दरिया दिसे अशांत कूळ छुईलाणी दरियार पाणी भासी जीवी हे शांत न रखिले कि रखिब तू न शुणिले कि शुणिब तू न रखिले कि रखिब तू न शुणिले कि शुणिब जदि भासी जीवी नाउरे बिचारे जदि भासी जीवी नाउरे बिचारे
the trust and faith on God. We need not be scared at any point, as I know Prabhu Jagannath is there as my protector. I will conclude my recital with a very popular traditional devotional song written by none other than Bhakta Salavega. But before I conclude, I convey my heartfelt thanks to ICCR again and my viewers who are my inspiration. I will teach a very small handicraft which is useful, but best things is it costs nothing and you can make within no time. Now I am going to show you some craft which is very useful in our daily life. So this is tray. This is made with old newspaper and magazine, nothing else. So for this paper tray you need a cardboard hard base and Fevicol, toothpick. Now let me show you how to make the process of making this tray. You need newspaper. You have to cut the newspaper in different sizes according to your base. This is my base. So first what to do? We will start for this paper roll. We have to make many paper rolls. So now I will show you how to make paper rolls. Suppose this is your paper from a corner. You just put a toothpick. To make it, it will be easy to make paper roll. So you just roll it. Then you take out this toothpick. Now you just roll it. And remember, when you are just making a paper roll, na, you hold this paper tightly. If you will hold this tightly, then it will be strong. And now rest of the part you can do like this. And this end part you put some Fevicol and paste it. Now this one is pasted. The paper will not come out from the roll. Like this you have to make many paper roll according to your requirement. You just roll it and take out this toothpick. And again I am telling, remember, when you are holding this paper, you hold it tightly. So rest of the part you can keep it on the floor and paste it. Again same process, you just put some Fevicol and end part you just paste it like this. Now your paper roll are ready. Already I had made so many paper rolls. So now what to do? I have to paste Fevicol on the base. Now your base is ready. You can put all this paper roll. You just paste it properly. You can paste it like this also. So like this, you paste all the paper rolls. Paste it properly. Now you can see your base is ready. So what I will do? See, this extra portion, this extra part, you can cut it. So now I will make this 4 edges, 4 sides according to your base. You will make this height. Now in 4 sides you paste paper roll like this. You will get many fancy design tray in the market which will attract you. But when you will make it yourself, you will feel pleasure and happiness. Now in this 4 corner, now I will show you, no need to put Fevicol in the whole side. You just put Fevicol in the corner and paste roll. You can serve tea. So whenever guests are coming to you, you can serve tea in this paper tray. So definitely they will ask you, is it made by yourself? That time you will get that pleasure. And with using this paper roll, you can make many things like photo frame. You need one base only, and in 4 sides you just put paper roll 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also 5 paper rolls from each side, and for the decoration to make it beautify, you can paste some flowers, dry flowers also. You can paste. Using this paper roll, you can do like this photo frame. And next things you can make, you can see this pen stand. You can put pen or brushes inside this paper roll. Now you start making this in the pandemic situation, because you are getting free times, and utilize your time in proper way. Thank you.
तारी बास कते अछि बोली तू ही हेलो जगतर नाथ तारी बास कते अछि बोली तू ही हेलो जगतर नाथ जातना सागरे भसाई तारी बास कते अछि बोली तू ही हेलो जगतर नाथ। तरणीटीते खंजिलु तोफान उछुला जुआरे दोहले पराण तरणीटीते खंजिलु तोफान उछुला जुआरे दोहले पराण चकाखी तोर थकी न जाओ रे ଯାହା ଯାଚି ଖୋଜି ମୁଁ ନଥିଲି ତିଳ ତିଳ ସାରି ତାରେ ହସାଇଲି ଦେଲୁ ଯାହା ଯାଚି ଖୋଜି ମୁଁ ନଥିଲି ତିଳ ତିଳ ସାରି ତାରେ ହସାଇଲି ଛଡ଼ାଇ ପାରିବୁ ନାହିଁ ସେହି ହାସ ଦେ ମୋତେ ଯେତେ ଦୁଃଖ ତାରି ବାସ କାଟେ ଅଛି ବୋଲି ତୁ ହିଁ ହେଲୁ ଜଗତର ନାଥ ତାରି ବାସ କାଟେ ଅଛି ବୋଲି ତୁ ହିଁ ହେଲୁ ଜଗତର ନାଥ ଯାତନା ସାଗରେ ଭାସାଇ ନିରାଶେ ନେଉଛୁ କି ମୋ ପରଖ ତାରି ବାସ କାଟେ ଅଛି ବୋଲି ତୁ ହିଁ ହେଲୁ ଜଗତର ନାଥ 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 ତୁ ହିଁ ହେଲୁ ଜଗତର ନାଥ।
My last recital expressed the complete trust on Mahaprabhu. He may give measures and put me on test. Still, I will always cling on him as he is the Savior.